What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where that had to have been the longest intro that I have ever put on the channel, but all in good reason. Now, we saw the thumbnail here and we saw the title of the video. That's why we're here today. So Maserati music had to be played before I started this one because it's going to be a very controversial few years for Maserati, but we might have some light at the end of the exhaust pipe. See what I did there? Now, as we know, electric vehicles, which will use electric motors rather than combustion engines, sound radically different from their gasoline counterparts. And not everyone is happy about that, to say the least. And the car maker's challenge is to create an immersive driving experience with a radically different sounding propulsion system. And Maserati says that they have a solution for this problem. Now, as I played that Maserati music, which it has been so famously called over the years, Maserati is known for those exhaust sounds from their V6s, from their V8s, from their naturally aspirated V8s, from their twin turbo V8s, from their twin turbo V6s. Every engine that Maserati comes with normally has some signature sound. Now, with that said, we're going to talk about the Drive because the Drive had interviewed, again, Maserati North America CEO William Peffer, and he's been giving us a lot of information over the past few days about Maserati and where the brand is going as it renews. Now, promising luxury in the future as a part of Stellantis, the all-electric offensive of its 14 brands is on the way, and despite Maserati's long-standing association with the roaring Ferrari engines, that partnership has come to an end and there's a new world ahead of it. Now, with Maserati saying by 2024 that every single model it makes will be available in a full EV version, it's important for them to gain experience building an electric vehicle that is still a Maserati and sounds like one. Now, William Peffer, again Maserati CEO of America, said about the sound of the vehicles to stay tuned to this. We have a solution. Now, recall, for example, Porsche has worked hard to develop an intuitive and natural sound for the Taycan, and it has tried to eliminate most of the unpleasant noises made by an engine by amplifying those noises appreciated by customers. But nobody really gets excited about the Taycan sound. Now, Peffer acknowledged that this is something that no one has yet managed to accomplish. He said, "We have seen other manufacturers come out with electric vehicles, and this is the only area where, for us, a brand where sound is so important must be able to maintain that DNA." Now, Maserati actually made its engine sound heard earlier this year for the MC20. Actually, let me play that right now. With that new Nettuno engine being 100% Maserati, their all-new power plant, and them going on to fully electric power plants, all electric is in Maserati's future, so I am very curious to see what kind of sounds we will hear in the future of the Italian brand. Do you think that the Trident can actually pull this off compared to the intro we heard? Do you think Maserati has something up their sleeves that can be a solution for the lack of the combustion engine sound that they're going to have in their electric vehicles? This is going to be very crucial for the brand, and I'm very curious on what they have in store. But I want to know down in the comments below, do you think that this can be done? Do you think that Maserati music in the intro can be replaced by EVs? Let me know down in the comments below. Now, if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we'll have a bigger discussion on Maserati coming up with a solution for the sound of electric cars. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down below. I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, and my Venmo, just in case you guys want to donate $1 or $2 to the channel. I appreciate your love and support. Now, you guys can also check out the Ron's Rides merch in case you want tote bags, fanny packs, t-shirts, tank tops, everything Ron's Rides is there. I'm also on Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, TikTok. See everything I'm posting, Ferrari, Maserati, and Alfa Romeo, that doesn't always make it here to the channel. And make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you won't miss one video. With that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rides video. Peace.